Hey everyone, welcome to Rogers Auto Detailing Studio. In front of me is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon that just came in wearing the weekend. She's dirty, and today we're giving her our basic wash package. That means a thick foam pre-
We're starting with a thick foam pre-soak. This blankets the Jeep, loosening grime and giving us lubrication for a safe wash. While the foam dwells, I'm agitating the beadlock rings and tire lugs. Off-road wheels grab a lot of dirt.
We start with a thorough hand wash to loosen any grime left over from the pre-wash. Every panel gets its own pass with a fresh mitt. After the foam is rinsed away, we focus on the wheels. These beadlocks collect a lot of brake dust, so a dedicated...
We start your rinse from the top and work down. Let gravity carry the soap off the panels instead of pushing it around. Tires and wheels get the most grime, so I hit them with a dedicated cleaner and a soft brush to reach all the way into the beadlock lip. Once it's dry...
Alright, here's the finished exterior of this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Paint is polished, protected, and looking like liquid metal. Wheels are decontaminated, dressed, and those beadlocks pop like new. Lights, glass, plastics, every surface.
For our basic interior detail on this 2020 Wrangler, we start with a thorough vacuum, getting into all the seams and under the seats. Next, we clean and dress the door panels so they look factory fresh. The leather receives a pH balance.
We start the basic package by vacuuming every seat and crevice, removing loose dirt and debris. Next, the door panels are cleaned with an interior safe solution, restoring a uniform finish. Leather seats get conditioned to keep them supple and protected. Every knob, switch.
We start with a thorough vacuum of every crevice to pull out loose debris. Next, an all-purpose cleaner tackles the door panels, leaving behind a factory fresh finish. Leather conditioner is worked into the seats to restore their soft...
Starting in the hatch. The vacuum gets rid of the trail dust and sand from last weekend. Door jambs collect grime, so I wipe them down until they're spotless. A soft brush pulls dirt out of the textured plastics, and a conditioner brings back that rich factory.
Finished with the basic detail package on this 2020 Wrangler Rubicon. Paint's been decontaminated and hand washed and topped with a polymer sealant for that deep satin glow. Tires dressed, plastics restored, and the beadlocks are polished up.